So here's kind of an essential skill set kind of thing. This is my rental car. Supposed to be somewhere in not very long from now. That's what my rental car looks like. So, grab the little manual. Luckily the jack is still there. A lot of times these rental cars don't have them, but managed to get what is, excitingly, a full-size spare. A lot of times these things don't have it, so pick the right vehicle today. But hey, here's the deal. If you don't know how to change a tire, learn how. I just saved myself probably 2 or 3 hours waiting for national rental cars, roadside assistance. I've used them before and they take forever. By the time you get on the phone, get them out here and go through all the rigmarole, it's more trouble than it's worth. So, gonna finish this up, get on the road.